In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple Shopify stores on one account, an easy yet powerful way to expand your e-commerce business. So let's dive right in and guide you through this process. First, let's start by accessing your Shopify account. You'll begin by navigating to your account dashboard. You can do this by visiting the Shopify login page and entering your credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the My Store homepage. This is your central hub, where you can manage various aspects of your Shopify account and stores. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand menu where you will find the My Store option. Go ahead and click on that to open up a more detailed view of your store configurations. This is an essential step as it allows you to access different store functions and settings, paving the way for creating additional stores. Now that you've accessed the main store menu, you're ready to find other stores connected to your account. Look for the option labeled All Stores. Clicking on this will present you with a list of all existing stores under your account. This feature is crucial as it provides you with a clear overview of what stores you currently manage, and it's also where you will add a new one. With the list of stores displayed, let's move to the next critical step, heading over to the Welcome Back section. You should see a section on your screen prompting you to welcome yourself back to the administrative panel. Click on this prompt as it leads you to a space where you can perform broader administrative tasks, setting the stage for the creation of more stores. From the Welcome Back area, you can begin creating a new store. Although this step is not listed in this guide, it's generally where you have the option to initiate the process of adding another Shopify store. It's important to note that depending on your Shopify plan, there may be additional fees or considerations when adding more stores, so it's always wise to check your account settings and pricing plans beforehand. Remember, managing multiple Shopify stores under one account can significantly streamline your business operations, allowing you to cater to different markets or product lines more effectively. Just ensure that you're ready to handle the increased workload and customer interactions that come with this expansion. And that's it. You've learned how to navigate through your Shopify dashboard to set up multiple stores within a single account. Following these steps will enable you to grow your online presence seamlessly, enhancing your ability to scale your business. Thank you for watching, and happy selling with Shopify.